Hi, thank you very much for tuning back in. My name is Fonny. In my channel, I talk about my houseplant and my Hoyas. In today's video, it is another unboxing that I would like to show you. This time is not Hoya, but these are Philodendron and Monstera that I wanted for a long time. I think ever since COVID time, well, now that we think about that, it's almost 6, 7 years ago, it has been a significant decrease of the plant price. And in particular, I believe in the beginning, these variegated plants, regardless what it is, it has skyrocketed the price. But over time, I'm sure that because they have tissue culture, and also more cuttings that people get out from their mother plant, the price of variegated plants has significantly reduced, especially when it comes to Monstera. And of course, because of more variety of Monstera comes out, not only the variegated version, but also the green version. And because of that, I got the opportunity to get one of the wishlist Monstera that I have been wanted for a very long time. Now, this is a special one because most of the time people talk about Monstera, one thing that is quite crucial is, do they have big leaves? And this one that I got actually has large form in its DNA. So you'll learn more about that when I unbox that. And the another one is a Philodendron. It has been a pretty expensive variety, given the fact that it is a hybrid. I'm not going to review what it is until you see the unboxing, but I'm very happy that I got this good size in a pretty okay price. Yeah, so stay tuned. And before we move on to the unboxing, if this is the first time you have watched my videos, if you like this type of content, don't forget to subscribe. Okay, now without further ado, let's have a look at the unboxing. Okay. Wow. Wow. Just get some close up over here. I'm not sure if you could tell the variegation of the Monstera, but obviously this is a variegated Monstera. This is the Monstera Yellow Marilyn. I always liked this particular variegation of Monstera, but it has been very expensive for a very, very long time. But because the variegated Monstera has a lot more options these days, maybe that's the reason why this particular yellow Marilyn has become, I would say, affordable in my perspective. And as you can see in this latest, newest leaf here, the variegation is exactly what I would look for in a variegated Monstera. It doesn't have this very variegated part, but it's more like a mix, a very good mix of variegation compared to the green, like this one. And that's exactly how I have better experience, because when it's very sectoral, when there's a very large chunk of variegation, normally that part will brown off, just like this one here. Obviously, this particular leaf, it's an older one, it's likely to brown off over time, but as you can see, this, I'm guessing, very large chunk is a variegated part, and that's why it has browned out. But because the new leaves that came out is very evenly distributed with variegation, and even this one has more green, and I really like that because this gives the plant actual green area that it could make food to photosynthesize. So yeah, I'm very happy about this. And obviously the oldest leaf over here has started to yellow. This is very understandable because it has been in the box for around a week, or 5 days is not too bad. Actually, it's quite fast in my other experience. And as you can see, this one, it has yellowed out, and probably I will just cut it off. But the rest of the leaves are really, really good. This is a relatively older one as well, but the newer one, I would say that's the third newer one. And over here, this is the second latest. And over here, hang on a minute, I was wrong. This is actually the second latest, and this one is the newer one. As you can see here, this is the older one, and this one here is the newest one that came out. Yeah, it's super nice in my perspective. I can't wait for this to grow out. And one thing, the reason why I really like the yellow marilyn variety is because this is a large form of Monstera, and you can already tell because even though the leaves are not that big, it already have this ruffle. And I remember, maybe I'm wrong, but let me know in the comment box below. Is it true that if it has ruffle, that means it is a large form? Well, that information has been maybe 3-4 years ago. That's when I started collecting plants. So let me know in the comment box below. Is it true that if it has ruffle, that means it is a large form Monstera? But if you're really good in spotting plants, you will know that this is not the only plant in this shipment. I also included one additional one here. They packed it very smartly because then it's mostly like one pot, but obviously here has another pot. And this, if you can tell, I'll just show you, it's also a variegated plant. But let me scoop over here. Here. Maybe this could be an easy one to show. This one over here, could you tell what this is? It has these very finger-like leaves. This is the part that is not variegated, but this started off very, very variegated. And it has a very large chunk of variegation here. I believe this one is going to brown off, but let me reveal what this one is. Okay, I managed to unwrap it with a bigger pot so then you can see it in a better way. Here, it shows really clear signs of Philodendron Tortum. I've never had Tortum before because I'm not a big fan of the texture of those very thick leaves, but I really like the shape of it. And now that it combines with Philodendron Florida Beauty, which is one of the most popular variegated plant from very early on, this one I really, really like. And you can already see that the split of the leaves has become really obvious. This one here, I believe this leaf will eventually brown off, but this over here has a little bit of green. I am hoping that this new one that is coming out soon is going to have more green. I think this actually has a really good combination, or maybe a little bit too much variegation for this one on this leaf, but this is not bad. But this is a bit tricky of the leaf itself. But obviously at the time when I'm choosing the plant from Grow Jungle, I chose this specific plant myself, so it's not because of anybody. I decided to have a higher variegation plant, so hopefully I can get more evenly distributed variegation. And you can see that the color is very nice. The shape itself, I really, really like it. Hopefully it's going to grow leaves with more green. Otherwise, I might need to chop it if it comes a lot of fully variegated leaf. But anyways, I need to repot this eventually because it's a little bit wobbly now. But yeah, this hybrid is very beautiful. And I'm so glad that now the price has come down significantly and I'm able to actually get a proper sized up one instead of a tiny little cutting. There you go. Well, I hope you enjoy the unboxing as well as I do. I'm very happy with the quality, even though you see that there's one kind of yellowish leaf for the Monstera, but I fully understand because it has been in the shipment, as well as it could be a bit hot inside the box. Anyhow, I really like how it turned out. If you have any care tips of either of these plants, please let me know in the comment box down below. I would really appreciate before getting into something I should have done differently. And if you like this type of content, please don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, don't forget to subscribe as well. Let me know in the comment box down below what would be the next video you prefer me making and what type of content would be interesting to you. I know from previous experience, now I'm talking about 2-3 years ago, Hoya content is something I really like doing. And if you like me showing you different types of Hoyas that I have, or like I said in the previous video, if you like a Hoya tour of the new setup that I have in my new place, let me know in the comment box down below and I can try to think of how to make an interesting video for everyone. Right, before we meet next time, have a great rest of your day and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.